private shipping company, Ohnaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler being a businessman is never done. I have many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on the fastest ships in the quadrant. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Ohnaka! Of course you will be compensated for the generous loan of your ship, and your assistants will get the supplies they needed. Maybe a little something for me. It is time to go, my friends. Listen carefully to your mission briefing and try to work together now. Your lives and profit depend on it. So let's get you on those ships.
Tell them about this briefing.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, despite what you may have heard, my friend, when you work for Ohnaka Transport Solutions, there is no need to worry. Everything is precise, professional, and... What do you mean, system failure? Oh, that's what you mean by system failure.
Don't worry, at least we still have power.
Of course I repaired the power couplers. I mean, not personally, but I had someone repair the...
Wait, he said power couplers?
I think I had someone repair the power couplers. Never mind
My
that.
engineers, that was your job.
Access the emergency power supply.
No, you didn't do it?
What good is an emergency
Someone
power
else's
supply
problem now.
if it's not ready in an emergency? This is unacceptable. I have a ship ready, a crew waiting, and nobody is making me any money. Does anyone have a lantern, a lightsaber, a little Sam? This is ridiculous.
Yeah, lightsaber. Nice.
Follow the crew member and we'll get this fixed right
Look
away.
at all the damage that happened last time.
Remain seated and supervise young lights.
Chris, tug on those yellow tabs. Alright, my engineers, tug on those yellow tabs. Alright, so you see anything flashing?
Yeah, look at this. Up is down, down is up.
Oh wait, I put automatic. Oh wait, this one.
Engineer, repair this, but hit your flashing button here. You better be faster when we get to the green.
Let's get some money.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly down. Weapons are online.
Close, bro.
Left pilot, hit the boost. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
See, bro.
Let's go.
There's the train. Yes, it's shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Get us down, bro. Take us down.
Ah, there it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brakes. That could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. Coelia! You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car.
Behind the train.
Get behind the train. Runners, shoot the train.
Wait, where's the brakes?
Keep shooting.
Where's the brakes?
Job, my friends. Yes. We got the collection. I will grab it. You keep up the train. Gunship? Oh, that's ridiculous. Get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. Nice shot. The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance. He's the last. Did it. Watch out! Oh, that's going to be a mistake. Great job, my friends. Oh my God! Two containers are coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Pretty good. 28%.
Pyro.